Please check out my earlier videos on text wrap. This shape has got text wrap. You can also convert it to curves. And as a curve, you can change the shape in all kinds of ways. Just go to the node tool. That's in the tools panel, and click on the individual nodes. And you can move it around. As you do that, the text will wrap around it. So you can create all kinds of different text designs. You can also go to swatches and set it to nothing. You can also set it to other colours as well. You don't have to have it that. You set it to red, green, blue, etc. You can also add nodes to the curve. Just click on the curve at any point and drag. So you can create zigzag designs and much, much more. And again, the text will wrap around that new shape. But also, you can save it to the Assets panel, and it will also save the text wrap feature. So go to the right side and add from selection. It will add that design, and you can see it there. Go to the Move tool, and you can resize. Doesn't have to keep the way it was in the Assets. You can also drag from the Assets and add it again, and then that also will have text wrap. And as you move it around, you can see the text will change. It's just a layer, just a curve. You can also go down to the bottom of layers and click effects. And then you can add 3D. You can also go to outer shadow and then add a shadow to your design and close. But you can also hold down the Alter Option key or resize the design, but hold down the Alter Option key and duplicate this design. And that still will have text wrap. You can see again another layer. You can rotate and change it in many other ways. Please check out my next video on how you can create all kinds of amazing designs with these assets. And that's in Affinity Photo.